This educational video was made on a test machine, demonstrating and explaining what a ransomware attack looks like, what damage it may cause, and how to prevent it. This video does not reveal how to create or distribute ransomware infections. In this video we will talk about Repair, a ransomware virus that targets Windows computers. Repair is a ransomware virus that belongs to the Medusalocker ransomware family. Its purpose is to encrypt data and keep it that way until a ransom is paid. This ransomware renames encrypted files and delivers a ransom note. An HTML file named how_to_back_files.html. It renames files by appending file names with the .repair extension. Repair's ransom note states that the company network files were encrypted and confidential, personal data was exfiltrated. The message stresses that only the attackers can restore the locked files. Renaming, modifying them, or otherwise attempting manual decryption will corrupt the data beyond recovery. Decryption requires paying a ransom, and refusing to do so will result in the stolen content being leaked or sold. If contact with the cybercriminals is not established within 72 hours, the payment will increase in size. At the time of recording, Repair ransomware is not decryptable. None of the decryption tools can restore files. Cybercriminals should not be paid. Pretty often, victims who pay a ransom get scammed, and they do not receive any decryption tool. It is recommended to eliminate ransomware from infected system before it has encrypted more files or infected other computers on a local network. We recommend to use Combo Cleaner to detect and remove malicious programs, such as Repair ransomware and other. Access to all of the features requires premium license. A free 7-day trial is also available. After removing the ransomware infection, it is recommended to restore your files from a backup. Note that antivirus programs would not be able to decrypt your files, however they can protect your files from being encrypted in the first place. Combo Cleaner has a real-time protection module that detects and removes ransomware as soon as it enters your computer. Additionally, it has an anti-ransomware features that can be set up to protect specified folders from encryption attempts. We recommend using Combo Cleaner to protect your computer from ransomware infections. Note that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. A limited time offer of 30% off for Windows and Mac users is available. Use coupon code PCRISK30 at the checkout. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.